Given all the negative stories out there about the men's, I thought it was time for a quick dose of positivity to give an example of gentlemanly conduct and the benefits that are bestowed on those that act in a gentlemanly fashion. This is Anthony Busby. Anthony Busby is 49 years old and a famous Houston trial lawyer. Busby is the managing partner of the Busby law firm in Houston, Texas. On November 2nd, 2015, Busby was awarded Attorney of the Year by Texas Lawyer magazine. In 2009, Busby won the largest jury verdict against British Petroleum in history when they were ordered to pay $100 million. Why is this important? Well, I'm trying to establish that Busby has a few dollars in the bank. This is Lindy-Lou Layman, and no, I didn't make that name up. Lindy-Lou is a 29-year-old court reporter. Sometimes Lindy-Lou looks like this. Other times she doesn't. The miracles of makeup. Lindy-Lou Layman and Mr. Busby recently went out on a date. Mr. Busby decided that Lindy-Lou got herself a little too intoxicated on their date, and so after arriving back at Busby's $14 million home, being the gentleman that he is, Mr. Busby called her an Uber. Lindy-Lou disagreed with Mr. Busby's assessment, however, and decided to make that disagreement known by allegedly causing $300,000 worth of damage to Mr. Busby's art collection. Quote, "She allegedly got angry and refused to leave. She then threw liquid, believed to be red wine, over Busby's paintings, including 2 original Andy Warhols valued at $500,000 each, and tried to tear them down with her hands before throwing 2 $20,000 sculptures, according to court documents. Texas law stipulates the value of the items indicates the degree of the charge. Layman could therefore be facing a life sentence if convicted due to the costs involved in the case." Her attorney, Justin Keeter, told the Chronicle his client disputes Busby's version of events. "We certainly disagree with Mr. Busby's rendition of the facts when he spoke to the media, and we disagree with what was said in probable cause court," he told a reporter from the paper. He said he would be saving the details for the courtroom. Well, of course he is. He needs time to come up with a good story. Layman was released on a $30,000 bond. Under her bail conditions, she's prohibited from drinking alcohol, taking drugs, or contacting Busby. So that concludes today's episode in How to Be a Gentleman. Remember, if you treat the ladies right, prioritise their well-being above your own disgusting primal urges, you'll be rewarded just like Mr. Busby was. Oh, and if you are viewing this video without your sense of humour, yes, I know, not all women are like Lindy-Lou. But given the current moment of hysteria we're living through, I think it's worth reminding all the gentlemen out there that you might want to think twice before inviting an intoxicated crazy back to your humble abode, especially if you've got items of value just lying around. I'll see you next time.